Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a new word. Our word for today is badge, a B2 level noun meaning a symbol of rank or achievement. So, what exactly is a badge? Well, it's essentially something you wear or display to show that you belong to a group or have accomplished something specific. Think of it like a little visual representation of who you are or what you've done. For example, a scout might earn a merit badge for completing a task. Now, let's explore some synonyms for badge. Words like emblem, insignia, and token all share similar meanings. For instance, the company's emblem was prominently displayed on the employee's uniform, or the general wore his military insignia with pride, and the award was a token of our appreciation. These words all convey the idea of something that symbolizes membership or accomplishment. Let's talk about antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. While it's tricky to find a direct opposite to badge, words like disgrace, blemish, or stigma can be considered as such. For example, the scandal was a disgrace to the company's reputation. That mistake left a blemish on his record, or there was a stigma attached to his past actions. These convey the opposite of recognition and honor that a badge represents. How can we use badge in our everyday life? Well, you might say someone wears a name badge at work, or a police officer has a badge on their uniform. In conversations, someone might say, "I wear my hiking badge with pride," or "she received a badge of honor." Some phrases include a badge of courage, a badge of merit, or a badge of honor, each meaning something that represents distinction or significant achievement. Some further examples are the student received a badge for participation, the nurse wore a badge showing her credentials, he earned a badge of honor for his bravery, and her uniform had several badges representing her skills. To quickly recap, badge is a B2 level noun meaning a symbol of rank or achievement. We covered synonyms like emblem, insignia, and token, and antonyms like disgrace, blemish, and stigma. We also looked at how it's used in daily conversations and common expressions. Thank you all for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. Also, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite badge of honor, and tell me one sentence about it.
See you next time.